Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Texture Lab. And in this video we are going to create a floor texture. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course Texture Lab is available. So if you want to learn this software starting from scratch to create realistic texture, to create PBR materials, this course will be perfect. It is on the first link on the description. You will see models and session of the course. Second link on the description, it is a website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software on these YouTube channels. And in second link on the description, it is a summary of all the graphic courses available. It is like an online school. You can pick a course and learn any software. So let's start with this creation. So on the left was a 2D view, 3D view, editor panels here, properties panels, and libraries. In the libraries, I'm going to start with a brick generators. And with a brick generator, I will link directly to the albedo. So thanks to that, I can display my brick here. We'll change the display, and just here we'll replace a sphere for a cube. And I will use a cube as an example. I will click on my brick generator, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to change the number of rows. And here we can define the number of columns. I will apply 8 and 4, and you can change the offset just here. And I will reduce the offset because I want to create like tile texture, and we'll apply something little bit different. So it means the same number of rows and columns. Let's just decrease, it will be pretty better. I will just apply 6 and 6, just like this. After to do this work, you have the size and you have the 8. On the size here, it is interesting to change the display, so it means like the mortar value, and you can decrease or increase the size, and I'm going to decrease with 0.94, and here it is the same on the 8. And so you can apply, if you have 1 and 1, you won't have any difference, just like this. So in my case, I will apply 0.94 and 0.94. So after to do this work, this is the first thing that I'm going to do. I can use a colorized node even if I'm going to stay with some white color, but I can use a colorized node and link the colorized node here and the colorized to the albedo. On the color option, I will place the white color. So now I want to add something on my tile. So what I will apply, I will go directly on noise. And on the noise option, I will define a fractal noise that I will link here. And this fractal noise, I'm going to apply also a color. So I will put a colorized node here, and I want to link with a brick generator. So this is why I will use a blend node. So I can take blend and place a blend node here. The blend will allow you to mix two nodes. So for example, I can link the colorize here to the color B, and then the fractal noise to colorize, output to the point color A, and this one to replace on the albedo. What I don't see anything for two reasons. First reason, on the colorize here, I can change and I can put the white color, so it's pretty better. And for a simple reason that here you can change also, you have multiply, you can work on add, you can work on subtract, you have different options. Here I will stay on multiply. So now my fractal noise will appear here. I can edit my fractal noise, so it means I can go on this area. I can, for example, you can scale your fractal noise, but I'm not really going to scale. And I will scale just a little bit on the x-axis, little bit like this. I will decrease with the persistent start, and I will decrease my effect with the persistent start. And we have also the persistent, I can stay like this, but the persistent start I will decrease just here. And I will obtain this render. You can also work with the brightness after, and let's increase a little bit the brightness. Now, something that I will do, it is to use another dot. And I will tap map, and on the map here, not map, I will tap something different. I will tap histogram, and on the histogram, you can use histogram scan, and I will put the histogram scan here between the fractal noise and the colorize. And on the histogram, when I go on this area, we can invert first. And after to invert, I can define a level of contrast. And as you can see, I can obtain this render. It's pretty good. I can also change the position just like this. And I think I will use maybe just something like that here to just apply this on my tiles. And I will reduce a little bit my effect with another node, and another node will be the map range. So we can tap range or you can tap map, and you can have access to the map range, and the map range will be located just after the historax scan, and link here and link here. And the map range option, I will increase the output minimum and decrease the output maximum to decrease my effect, and just to have a little bit just like this here. So now it's pretty good. So something that I will do is I want to add another information, and this other information will go on the normal map. So how I will process, I will link the bring generator to the normal map, and thanks to that we can have another type of level of details. But one of the problem is it's not pretty good. So something that I will do, it is to move a little bit here and to link the blend directly to the normal map. And thanks to that, we can obtain this render. One of the problem is, as you can see, we have this type of things, and it depends about what we want to do. We can also link directly to the colorize and only work like this. For example, just here. And after to do something like this, I will drag and move a little bit again on this area. And something that I will do, it is to search another blend nodes. So I will link the blend node here. And first the brick generator to the color A, the blend to the normal map, and I will add another fractal noise. And I will drag and move another fractal noise on this area to link to the point B, and I will obtain this render. On the fractal noise, something that I will do, it is to change the value on the x-axis. So I will move a little bit on the x-axis. Here we can change the start band also, and we have the end band. But I will work with the end band at least 8, and we can decrease the persistent start, just like that, to decrease the effect, maybe here, just a little bit, and we can work with the brightness. I think it's pretty good like that. One more time, if we want to adjust more, I can use something like a map range again, map range, and I will link the map range here, and I will link the fractal noise to the map range and the map range to the blend. And when I click on the map range options, I will one more time work with the output minimum and the output maximum to just have a little bit on my bricks, as you can see. This is the type of things that we can do, for example, just like that. And if I just go on this area, just on the rootness, I can change a little bit the rootness with a value, so black or white. And if I zoom a little bit, I can go here. As you can see, if we apply black, we'll have less rootness, or white color more rootness. And here, this is a metallic value, and we can increase or decrease the metallic value. In my type of case, I will stay in black. I want to add the maximum of rootness. And that's it. This is the type of things that we can create. You can change the display, select for example a plane, and you will obtain this render. So just an example about what we can create using in a fast way using this software if you want to create materials. We are going to stop here for this video. If you like this content, subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description, the complete course Texture Lab is available. So if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with the course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models section of the course. The different nodes are explained in details with different examples. We see the different features, and at the end of the course, creation of PBR material with different type of creation. Second link on the description, the website dealing with this YouTube channel. You can discover software on these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is a summary of all the graphic courses available in link with these YouTube channels. For our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.